In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Canva AI video generator. By the end, you'll know exactly how to move from a rough idea to an auto-generated video clip with just a few clicks, and how to set yourself up for the best results along the way. First, start inside Canva and look for the AI section. You'll usually find it on the homepage or via the search bar. Just type AI, and it should appear. Click on Canva AI to open the workspace. This brings you into Canva's Creative Assistant area, where the tools are designed to help you generate content from simple prompts. If you don't see it immediately, make sure you're on the latest version of Canva and that you're logged in with an account that has access to AI features. Next, choose the video clip option. This tells Canva that you want a short generated video rather than, say, an image or written content. Selecting video clip helps the tool set the right canvas, timing, and media structure for you. It's a helpful shortcut because it loads presets that are optimized for video pacing and transitions, so you don't have to set those up manually. Now type the video idea you have into the prompt box. Be as specific as you can. Instead of saying, "make a travel video," try describing the topic, the mood, and any key visuals or audience cues, like a 20-30-second upbeat travel teaser for a beach destination, with warm colors, quick cuts, and bold captions. You can mention the tone, length, and style you prefer, and include any must-have phrases. If you have brand guidelines, summarize them in plain language, such as the type of colors or the general vibe you want. Clear instructions help the AI assemble scenes, text, and transitions that better match your vision. After you submit your idea, it might take a while to generate. This is normal. The system is pulling together stock footage, motion graphics, and text elements to build a cohesive sequence. While it processes, avoid refreshing or closing the tab. If your connection is slow, give it an extra moment. When the clip appears, preview it to see how the pacing, visuals, and messaging came together. If the result isn't quite right, adjust your prompt with more detail. Tweak the tone, specify different visuals, or clarify the length, and run it again. Small refinements can lead to big improvements in the final video. And that's it. With Canva AI, you can turn a clear idea into a ready-to-use video clip in minutes, using just a well-crafted prompt and a little patience.